वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून। कैसे हैं सभी लोग? आज आप लोगों के द्वारा जो पॉइंट दिए गए हैं, एक्सेप्टेंस, एक्सेप्टिंग योरसेल्फ एज इट इज यू आर, अंडरस्टैंड एंड एक्सेप्ट, देन प्रोग्रेस एंड देन हार्मोनी। आज हमारा डिस्कशन रहा उसके आधार पे, उसके बेस पे मैंने एक जो डिस्कशन हमारा चल रहा था, व्हाट इज कम्युनिकेशन, व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। छोटा सा बच्चा रोग लगती है तो वो भी रोता है, वो भी एक टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है, रोग लगती है। What do you think?
So exchange of information between two people.
Yes, exchange of information, sharing of ideas,
Sharing of ideas.
sharing of information. Sometimes you are telling someone, sometimes you are
Receiving.
getting, receiving. So communication में एक सुनने वाला होता है, एक बोलने वाला होता है। तो अकेले में वो तो
Self.
वो तो सेल्फ थिंकिंग होगी। अकेले में अगर बैठ के जो है बड़बड़ाने लगे तो घर वाले घबरा जाएंगे नहीं, हेलुसिनेशन होने लगेगा। सो देयर इज अ सामने कोई एक बंदा,
बिल्कुल।
जिसके साथ हम कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, अपने विचारों का आदान प्रदान कर रहे हैं। वी आर शेयरिंग आवर थॉट्स, आवर आइडियाज अबाउट समथिंग और डिस्कसिंग अबाउट समथिंग। सो आज इसमें मैंने हमारे ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न दोनों का एक कंसेप्ट है, जिसको चीज एक ही है, पर थोड़ा सा इसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए, कम्युनिकेशन को और भी थोड़ा सा डेप्थ में समझने के लिए, कम्युनिकेशन में सबसे पहली इंपॉर्टेंट बात क्या है? लिसनिंग। सामने वाला कह क्या है, व्हाट समवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट। आर यू लिसनिंग? यस, यू आर लिसनिंग इन कॉन्शियस लेवल, पर just little inside the automatic thinking process is going on. You will listen and what will you receive? Whatever is according to your system. Most of the time it happens that I am saying that is fan and you are seeing the fingers, you are not seeing the fan. This is just a finger. Sometimes whatever the words and whatever the examples we use, that is just an indication. There behind some message that we need to understand. Okay. So listening is art. There is a slogan: learn to listen, listen to learn. If you want to learn, then you have to be a good listener. If you are not a listener and you are just a great speaker, then God bless. Okay. So in Hindi, there is a three term. It's a vad, samvad, and vivad. Vad, जहाँ पे two persons, one is talking and one is listening. Vad, like Guruji is sitting here and he is saying and I am listening. It's a vad. Okay. One is a sender and one is a
Receiver.
It can be Papa ji is saying and I am listening.
बिल्कुल।
It can be good conversation or it can be bad.
Bad.
They can give us some positive message, some motivation, or they can scold. वो डांट भी लगा सकते हैं, वो गुस्से भी कर सकते हैं, वो डोमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी वन साइडेड हो जाएगा। तो वन इज सेंडर, वन इज रिसीवर। ओके, सो you are saying and I am listening, just listening, without objecting anything, accepting everything whatever you are saying. Just like a robot, whatever the command you are giving, I will do.
बिल्कुल।
Maybe in a positive direction, maybe in a negative direction, that is another direction. Samvad. Samvad is when two persons are talking and listening. I am talking, you are listening, then you have some questions, you are asking, then I am giving response to that question. It's always give and take. Samvad. It's a give and take. And Vivad. Vivad, when two individuals are talking, but no one is listening. Argument. It's an argument. Okay? In English terminology, it's a passive I'm just listening and listening and listening without any objection. And after a certain point, outburst. Get into aggressive communication or aggressive behavior, passive and aggressive. Okay, Vad and Vivad.
Vivad.
Either one side, either
Two sides.
outward.
Out.
And in between, there is assertiveness. Assertiveness means, suppose for example, this is a book. I'm showing you this side of this book, okay? Because you are sitting here. And I'm showing you this side of this book. Okay? Now, you both tell him what you have seen slowly in his eyes. Ears, please. What is written here?
Back side of it.
इनको बताओ.
Back side.
धीरे से. आपको क्या दिखा?
Front side.
क्या लिखा था उसमें?
सिर्फ आज के दिन.
क्या लिखा था उसमें? Just for it. Now you are going to argue on कि you are right or you are right. Actually, you both are right because you have both seen that same situation from a different angle. You are right and he is also right. Okay, so what is the problem in our life, in our relationship and everywhere is that I am right. My point of view, my thought, my ideology, my thinking is right. Another one is wrong one. So problem is assertive means okay, this what I think it can be. What you are saying is right, but this is my point of view. So in communication, one extreme and another extreme, in mid, this is a assertiveness. Okay. So healthy communication will happen when half glass, half bottle is empty and half bottle is filled of sanitizer. You will say half is empty, you will say half is full. You are right and you are also right. Middle. I think if we will use this sutra, this formula in our day-to-day life and in our communication skills, so definitely I think most of the problem is going to be solved without any unnecessary steps. Because most of the time problem is happening because with father, with wife, with brother, they are saying something, I am saying something, and what I am saying is I am right, you are wrong. They are saying you are right, wrong, and they are right. So I don't want to disrespect them. I just want to convey my message, my idea, my understanding. So for that, what will I do? I don't have any intention to disrespect someone. Then I'm just going to share my point of view. That I think that this bottle is half full of sanitizer. Maybe you are saying half empty. You are right and I am also right. So midway. So this is a very small and simple tips that can improve your quality of communication and that is going to impact your life in all political elections, I think. So we will pause today. Okay, so to be continued with another topic. Thank you.